Astronomy is a device-based pursuit. As with any other equipment-based activity, there is always a long list of manufacturers offering an amazing array of devices promising spectacular results at often astronomical prices. Think $5,000 golf clubs that promise to turn you into Tiger Woods. The illustrated Compendium of Astronomical Devices is a visual satire of such manufacturers and the gullibility of their customers. Using the steampunk style to illustrate the high-technology devices provides a visual contrast that adds another layer to the absurd nature of these devices. The book is presented in two sections, the Compendium of Devices and Great Moments in Science History. Events such as the Beagle has landed, a recounting of the real lunar landing in 1869 by Jules Verne and Charles Darwin in their riveted brass and copper spaceship, as opposed to the 1969 TV event filmed on a Hollywood soundstage. To give you a taste of what the compendium has to offer, here is the chapter on spud atomic research. The Large Spudron Collider. Funded by a bequest from the McCain Foundation, who receive a 1-cent royalty from each serve of French fries sold on the planet, the Arc Fortnight Institute of Advanced Studies has established the foremost research program on the study of spud atomic particles. The jewel in the crown of this program is undoubtedly the Large Spudron Collider, an enormous underground facility. Here, potatoes are circulated at high speeds manipulated by superconducting magnets and propelled by a powerful pot atom beam inside a huge ring, some 27 kilometers in diameter, spanning the states of Idaho, Utah, and Nevada. Opposing potato beam lines, circulating in opposite directions, accelerate the potatoes to subrelativistic speeds seen here in this image of the beam line in action. Once the beam lines are stable, they are collided together to form quantum mash. Detectors located at the collision site collect data on the spud atomic particles produced. Initially, the only particles detected were the expected basic particles, electrons and protons. To hear more of this story, get the illustrated Compendium of Astronomical Devices at arcfortnight.com. The Large Spudron Collider. Following the success of the initial experiments, the Institute received successively higher royalty payments from the McCain Foundation, due to the boom in French fry consumption during the global COVID-19 pandemic, which enabled upgrades to the Large Spudron Collider's power output. Today, high-energy collisions of pot atom beams have produced spud atomic particles with attributes such as spin, Pontiac, russet, Kennebec and Yukon gold, and mash, measured in proton volts. Here is the research team, led by Dr. Hans Kipfler, preparing for another high-energy mashup at the Large Spudron Collider. To hear more of this story, get the illustrated Compendium of Astronomical Devices at arcfortnight.com. The holy grail of spud atomic research is to find the spud particle, the theoretically predicted, but yet to be observed, super-heavy particle that forms the missing link in the standard potato model, the Higgs boson. Initial research is yet to be peer-reviewed and published, however, the Arc Fortnight Institute of Advanced Studies can release the preliminary image of the spud particle. To hear more of this story, get the illustrated Compendium of Astronomical Devices at arcfortnight.com or search for Arc Fortnight on Amazon.